Good day everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I will quickly go straight to what I have to talk about today. You know, most people feel like you need to become an expert before you start learning UI UX publicly, but no, I don't believe that. So that's why you need to join me as I learn UI UX this 2026. I'm not an expert, neither am I a senior designer. I'm not even selling any course. So I'm someone that decided to start and also document his journey, his struggle, honestly, without even sugarcoating or filtering any parts. So if you are that kind of person that have the zeal to learn UI UX, or you're already learning but get stuck somewhere or overwhelmed, just know that this video is for you. You know, in this 2026, everything we use is digital. The website, the application, the games, the tools and all that. And behind every good product is a good design. Believe me. So UI UX is not just about pretty screen or about colors. It's about making things simple to human understanding and also usable. So you need to learn UI UX May this 2026 because I'll show you the process, I'll show you the stages, I'll show you my struggle, my mistakes, and not just the results. You will see me redesign things and not just work. So if you also feel confused sometimes, just know that you won't be alone in this. Okay? On this channel, we all will learn the UI basics like the spacing, the layout, the coloring, then why things were placed the way they are, the motion prototyping, the prototype, and all that. Prototyping and motions and also real projects, not just theory. I build things, I make them, and I also learn from them. This channel right here is for beginners who are scared to start, for beginners who are tired of watching long tutorials and at the end they will learn nothing and lost at the end. So if you are probably an expert or senior designer, you are also needed to give us feedback, correction, and all that. But if you want to learn UI UX in this 2026 and also grow step by step with someone who is actually going through it, subscribe and learn with me. Let's see how far we can go by the end of this year. Thank you and have a lovely day.